upright, and I'm very fine. Are you getting me? And I am National Secretary of PDP.
So what are you officially assuming duty and taking over your office?
I've already assumed duty.
And taking over your
office? On 30th of December 2024. I did that. It's everywhere.
So when are you going to start operating from your office?
I've started, sir.
But during the BoT meeting, Chairman?
No, I was on the table. Are you getting me? I came there.
I was there. I didn't see you.
Well, maybe I haven't come that time. You were looking at the table. But when I came, I was seated at the table. And the BoT, if you check the list of those who attended the meeting, my name is there. And if you check even the list of BoT members invited, my name is the number 46 in the list. So
you're confirming to us that you were invited by the BoT said earlier?
Which National Secretary are you talking about? Is it me or who? I am the National Secretary. So I think maybe we didn't get the BoT chairman well. The BoT chairman said that it's going to be resolved and a committee has been formed. He even mentioned the chairman of the committee, Tani Muturaki SAN.